Hey guys, Barry here with Epic. In today's episode, we will be demonstrating how to fold and unfold a Wolf Warrior scooter. Now, many of you have asked us questions because it's not as straightforward as most scooters. Involves a little bit more mechanism here, so we're going to actually show you what that mechanism is of folding and unfolding the scooter, just so you have an understanding and realization of how the system works, which will help you in turn realize and know how to better and easier fold and unfold a scooter, especially if this is something new to you. So we're going to start off by folding the scooter. There's a dual mechanism here. If you want to just come around, I'll show you. The first thing that you're going to want to do when you want to unfold it is you're going to want to remove this safety pin. They have a built-in extra additional security safety feature. What you do is you push the button, the cotter pin, remove that. Then you have a latch here that you're going to want to push up. Now it has a protection pin here that holds it from coming up. So you're going to want to slide that so it's flush with the hole so you can get through. And then we're going to want to push it up a little bit. Okay, make sure if you're sitting the way I am that you're holding this handlebar, because this will literally fall down right on your head. It's happened to me before, so that's why I say it's a heavy piece of machine, so you don't want that to happen. Now I want the camera to just come take a look here below, just so you understand the way this system works. You see this pin? It goes in between there, so when you lift it, it comes out effectively. So here is the scooter folded. There's no mechanism to attach it, and also I'm going to recommend that when you do fold it, lift your display up, because you don't want it crushing against this. It's going to break. The screen is a glass screen, very similar to an iPhone, so it can crack very easy. So protect it. It's not a cheap display, a very beautiful display, so protect that. All right, so that's unfolding the scooter. Now we will show you how to unfold it. So we're going to lift the scooter. Same principle. I like to sit on it personally and hold it this way. And now let's take a look at what's going on over here. So you can see the pin is inside this shaft. So now you can see that the scooter, this latch is down, but the scooter is still not folded. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that this pin is in the right position. So the easiest way to do this is, once you got it down, is don't touch this, lift the lever up. Let me get this out of the way. Then you're going to feel once you lift it up, the pin gets into the proper position. This is the proper position. And now you're going to feel resistance on this latch. And now we push down. Okay? Once it's down, it's no longer coming at you. And then so this is now secured here. We're going to fold this security latch over for extra protection. And then finally, we're going to use this protection pin, press the button again, and fold it in. And that's it. Your scooter's solid. Readjust your screen, and you're good to go. So hope that was helpful for you in understanding the mechanism of folding and unfolding a Wolf Warrior scooter. Most Wolf Warrior models have the same mechanism. We have the Wolf Warrior 11, the Wolf King, the Wolf King Pro, Wolf King GT Pro, and so forth. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions of any other videos you'd like to see on our channel related to any of our products, please comment below, and we'll be more than happy to film it for you and explain it on the next video. Anyways, guys, we hope you have an awesome day. Wishing you an epic day or night. Till next time, peace.